when you go to mediation in your Texas divorce, you're going to pay a mediator, a third-party person, to be the go-between between you and your spouse to help you reach a resolution of your disagreements. That third party is going to help you negotiate and help you give and take so that you come to a resolution. You're going to pay that third party their costs for being present at the mediation. And depending on the type of mediation you have and how long the mediation takes, and also how experienced the mediator is, you can pay a variety of different costs. Sometimes you may already have an agreement pretty well locked down, and you're doing what we like to call a drive-by mediation. We are going to the mediator just to sign off and bless on the agreement that you've already reached. In those situations, you may spend $200 to $300 to the mediator to get that signed off on. Typically, for a half-day mediation, 4 hours, each side is going to spend somewhere between $400 to $600 to the mediator. For an all-day mediation, it may be closer to $800 to $1,200 for that time period, because that mediator is there to help you resolve your case, and they get paid for their time in participating. Other factors that affect how much you're going to pay your mediator include how experienced that mediator is. A lot of people like to use former judges as mediators because that, in some cases, helps the process, helps both parties understand what might happen in a courtroom if a judge is saying, a former judge is saying, hey, this is what I would have done in my courtroom. That can sometimes help the negotiations. And because of the extra experience they have, you will pay more for a former Texas judge to be your mediator.